OUGH words can be confusing, but today spelling is going to be easy and fun. Listen carefully when you hear the sound uff or off, like in enough, tough, rough, and cough. Say it with me loud and clear. O, you go home. And when O and U go home, we write OUGH. If this trick helped you, give yourself a big clap and type OUGH in the comments if you remember the rule. Next time you hear uff or off, what will you say? Oh, you go home.